Let's go this e-commerce front-end store. So we have these cool transitions, animations on hover effect. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. So let's begin. I'm gonna go to a new file. You can find this code in app folder, in Summer Sandal Showcase 3, page TSX. Other stuff is for other tutorials in my GitHub below. So let's say use client because I'm using NextJS. And you're gonna have to npm install Framer Motion and Lucid React. Let's do the interface, ID, name, price, description, image, URL, everything. So this is the interface. Then we have, so I made this originally as sandals, but this is cargo pants, so you can change this to cargo pants or something. So let's create some mock data. ID, name, price, description, image URL. You can find these images in the public folder. So just scroll down, it's the top level folder, public folder in my GitHub. Let's add 2 more products. You can copy paste this. And then feature icon. So we're gonna create a map, icon map. So it's gonna have this string as key and this icon. It's gonna just be easier for us to use this. Let's create this map of icons. And then we're gonna return div. Inside we're gonna say this like icon and then the name, the text of the feature. And we have features here. So this, let me show you. You see this feature, this is where we will use it. Okay, product card. So let's create product card is hovered. And then motion div. So if it's hovered, we scale a little bit. And then we have this like image, div, title, so name, description, another div. So if it's hovered, we're gonna add the whole new div below. So if it's hovered, we're gonna add this div. So this will show the features. It will also show product price and add to cart button. And it will also show below, so you see this add to cart button, and we have these 2 things here below that we will just add now. Product shipping info and warranty. So let's continue. This was the card. Now let's continue below. This is the whole page now. Let's do the div, and then discover our summer sandal collection. This should be cargo pants, for example. And then we have this second thing. Sorry for my phone. Okay, let me turn this off. And then div sandals map. So we're gonna map all of the product cards. And then we're gonna say div. Below we're gonna say choose our sandals. So this is gonna be this one. So let's put the sun icon and say some like this is some already designed, whatever. You see this is sun icon, this is some already designed. Let's add a bunch of these as well. So I'm just gonna keep adding them. This is what it looks like, and this is it. This is the whole page. We coded the whole page, we coded everything. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below, and see you in the next video.